How to find square root of 361 by division method. First, make a group from right hand side to left hand side. This is first group, this is second group. And second group you have just only one digit. Now target the first group and place here a number whose square will be equal to 3 or close to 3. If you place here 2, then 2 square is 4, which is greater than 3. So 2 is not acceptable. Place here 1, so 1 square equal to 1. Look. So if you place here 1, the same thing will come here. 1 times 1, 1. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next pair. You have placed here 1, so same thing will come under the divisor. So now add, you are getting 2. You have to consider here a number. That number must come here, and if you multiply, then this product will be equal to 261 or nearest to 261. Let me place here 9, right? 9. So 9 times 9, 81. Okay. Place here 1, carry it to the next. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. So 29 times 9, that gives you 226. Okay. So our guessing number 9 here is correct. 9 times 29, which is 261. Now subtract. You are getting 0. As your remainder is 0, you are done. So your answer is 19. To check, look, you have placed here 9. The 9 must come under this divisor. Now add. 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8. Carry on to the next column. 2 plus 1, 3. Look, the double of 19 is 38. Now we can say that the divisor is the square root of 361. That is, we have checked the result here. 19. So the square root of 361 is 19.